If you have analysts covering your company, those analysts have expectations. And if you miss those expectations, your stock goes down. But if you have no analysts covering your company, then there are no estimates. You don't have to worry about the fundamentals. So your stock can fly up on gossamer wings with no analyst enemy in sight. And maybe that's why we've got such a fractured two-track market.
All aboard!
We see it every day, especially in these kind of mildly positive days with Dow advanced 105 points, S&P gained 0.55%, NASDAQ climbed 0.63%, not bad. Now, this morning I was talking to my colleagues, Carl Quintanilla and David Faber, about providing value to our viewers so that you have to watch us. If we don't, one day we will find ourselves out of job watching fresh-faced anchor simulations, reading the news about the stocks I am about to go over, because it's what you want. I mentioned that our younger viewers and older viewers tend to focus on very different things, so we need to recognize the two-track market, but we got to embrace it. Can't reject it. My colleagues were clearly amused by the idea, but then we pivoted to interviewing Bob Iger, CEO of Disney, who traced out his plans now that the company owns all of Hulu. The stock was around $115 when Iger started talking, and by the end of the interview, at least certainly by the day, it was at 118 and change. That's a tour de force performance. The kind of value added this network proudly provides. I felt great about it. But I could feel the contempt that many younger investors have for what I think is a very strong kind of journalism, where we flesh out what really matters to an iconic big capitalization stock that has everything to do with linear television, ESPN, exciting movies, cruise ships, theme parks. Now, it's Disney for heaven's sake. Who doesn't want to know about that? Well, how about the people who just stopped going to Disney World with their parents, and it's the last place they would ever be caught dead at?
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.